Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni Pop Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work. We pretty much had to replace the heating element inside the machine, the boiler safety valve as well, and the heating element just pretty much melted inside the machine. There was, as you can see, just this old heating element just in really bad condition. Most of these little pieces were inside the boiler. It was really hard to remove them. I believe I still have a couple of pictures of a boiler as well. Yeah, that's pretty much the boiler inside.
Yeah, right.
So we end up pretty much cleaning everything around it, making sure all these little pieces that you saw in there were out. We just deep cleaned the whole boiler, and yeah, we replaced this. And we also deep cleaned the water level sensor on the machine to make sure that it was filling properly. We had to lower the pressure on the pressure stat as well, and yeah, it was a lot of work on this machine. So right now, as you can see, the cleaner works amazing. Really, water. We'll test the hot water later, but now let's do a shot of espresso with all manual. Didn't tamper really properly. You can see that it's 2 little streams over here instead of one. But we have good crema coming out of the machine, and working perfectly fine. And there you have it, La Pavoni Pop working once again. So thanks for tuning in Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.